Controlled release tablets. This is the topic for the video, and in that the subtopic is like HPMC based matrix controlled release tablets. You might be aware about the HPMC use in the pharmaceutical formulations. HPMC is a polymer. It is also known as hypromellose, and its chemical name is hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. So it is a semi-synthetic polymer, and cellulose is converted with the addition of groups, and it is formulated into the matrix type of form. Controlled release tablets are also called as modified release tablets, and sometimes also referred as extended release tablets, and also for some of the times these are called as delayed release tablets. Delayed release tablet is the term used for certain controlled release formulations also. So don't get confused between the delayed release and the enteric coated tablets or acid resistant tablets. Some of the times delayed release is also a term used for these controlled release tablets. Another terminology is sustained release tablets. So sustained release, prolonged release, extended release, these are the similar terminologies with minor differences. The topic of the present video is only about the HPMC as a matrix former and as a controlled release polymer. So why HPMC is used? There are certain advantages of HPMC over other polymers. So the HPMC is used. We will see this information in the upcoming slides. First is introduction to hypromellose, that is HPMC. It is a polymer which is widely used in the pharmaceutical industry and in the different formulations. Those may be oral formulations, or those may be the liquid formulations, or the topical ones, or these are maybe the type of ophthalmics. So HPMC has different activities, and based on those activities as a excipient, this is used. Commonly it is used as a binder, sometimes as a filler also. It is used as a film forming agent in coating material, and mainly it is used as a matrix former or controlled release type of polymer in the prolonged release or sustained release tablets or controlled release formulations. HPMC is a semi-synthetic polymer derived from the cellulose, and it is commonly used to control the release of drug substance in the formulations. Mainly in the tablet formulations, it is used as a controlled release polymer by forming the matrix with the API and other excipients. HPMC has certain key properties. It is soluble in cold water, insoluble in hot water, it is non-toxic, non-ionic, and it is stable to the pH. That means this polymer is independent of the pH, and pH stability is wide, that is its pH stability is 2 to 13. It is resistant to the enzyme, it is surface active, low taste and odor, it doesn't have any bad taste and odor. It is used as a viscosity modifier, emulsifier, binder, a rate controlling agent, and a film former. In the present video, the use of HPMC is considered for the controlled release tablet as a film former. Controlled release tablets are those tablets in which the release of the drug is modified and the drug release is sustained or extended or prolonged for certain time, that may be 4 to 8 hours or 12 hours or more than that. So hydrophilic matrix system is formed by the HPMC. Now we'll see what is hydrophilic matrix. The hydrophilic matrix consists of the drug, the release controlling polymer like HPMC, and the other excipients like fillers, binders, and the lubricants and glidants. So this composition forms a matrix, and the polymer used is HPMC. It is a hydrophilic type of polymer. That's why the name is given as hydrophilic matrix. Coming to the key features of this hydrophilic matrix, it is a straightforward type of formulation, requires standard tableting equipment, resistant to drug dumping or dose dumping, and modification of release kinetics through excipients and polymer is possible. This is the advantage of this system, that it does not require any special technology. The generalized equipments, the standard tablet manufacturing equipments can be utilized to make the hydrophilic matrix tablets. It is resistant to dose dumping. That means you can control the release of the API in a tailored way. Advantages are like broader regulatory approval, excellent safety profile, easy to use and extensively studied. HPMC is very widely used in many of the formulations, whether these are consisting of the soluble APIs, slightly soluble APIs, and insoluble APIs. So broadly, these are used, and that's why it is very safe to use. It has a excellent safety profile. It has used and approved by many of the regulatory bodies, and its use is extensively studied in the extended release type of formulations, sustained release type of formulations, and controlled release type of formulations. Now we'll see the benefits. So why to use HPMC in the matrix tablets? Safety and regulatory approval, well accepted and widely approved for controlled release type of formulations. Flexibility of HPMC allows control of drug release rates and profiles. Improved patient compliance. So once a day dosing reduces the tablet burden per day or number of doses or frequency of administration. That's why patient compliance will be better. Coming to the factors influencing drug release in the tablets. So polymer, drug, filler and other excipients are the factors affecting the drug release. Polymer type, viscosity, concentration and particle size are the main factors. Other factors of polymers are like molecular weight. Then considering the HPMC, there is a substitution of hydroxy, propyl and methoxy groups. So those are also impacting. Then drug solubility and particle size of the drug has great impact. Solubility and concentration of the filler is another factor, and other excipients like stabilizers and buffering agents affect the drug release or dissolution of the matrix tablets. You can see in the figure, matrix tablets can be consisting of hydrophilic soluble matrix. It may be consisting of the hydrophobic non-soluble polymer, and it may be consisting of the erodible type of mechanism. In the HPMC matrix tablets, it is through the hydrophilic soluble type of matrix. Process factors which affect the dissolution and drug release are manufacturing method, tablet size and shape, compression force, pH environment, and film coating. These are some of the process factors affecting the drug release from the controlled release HPMC based matrix tablets. How matrix tablets work or mechanism of the drug release. So drug release is by diffusion and erosion or both. Diffusion is mainly responsible for the soluble active ingredients. The HPMC tablets is a matrix type of tablets, and when it comes in contact with the GI fluids, the surface HPMC of the tablet get exposed to that liquid and it start swelling and forming a gel layer, and through that gel layer the drug diffuses out. So diffusion is mainly for the soluble APIs. Erosion is mainly for the insoluble type of excipients or APIs. The viscosity of the HPMC significantly influences the release profile. If you use high viscosity grades of HPMC, then it will take longer time to release the drug. If you take lower viscosity grade, then it will release the drug somewhat quicker than the high viscosity grades. Generally, HPMC K4M, HPMC K15M, HPMC K100M, and HPMC K200M are the polymers to make the matrix tablets. Technologies for controlled release. So HPMC is a well accepted polymer. There are some other options for this, like polyols are there. Then other excipients are there which are hydrophilic and hydrophobic in nature. Sustained release technologies are unique and may involve or use unique combinations of polymer to modulate the drug release. Sometimes viscosity blending is also performed. That means the different polymers with different viscosities are taken together to form the matrix. Low viscosity and high viscosity polymers can be blended together to get specific release profile. In summary, we can say that HPMC is a versatile, safe and well-regulated polymer for the controlled release matrix tablets. Its properties enable the pharmaceutical companies to design effective controlled release formulations for improved patient compliance. Other technologies implement HPMC for specific drug release profile. There are various grades available in the HPMC. So we need to understand the grades based on their molecular weight and viscosity. Also, we should understand the chemistry of the HPMC polymers, and we should know the basics for selection of the polymer for controlled release HPMC based matrix tablets. This video is an overview for HPMC based matrix tablets, and I will make other videos in detail regarding the use of HPMC and QVD of the HPMC. Thank you for watching the video, and I request you to share these videos to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.